Long A. AE. Like and subscribe.
Kate Wins the Game. Written by Moira McGinty. Long A. A. Consonant E. Brave. Dale. Flames. Game. Jane. Kate. Lake. Late. Makes. Save. Shade. Shakes. Take. Waves. Consonant digraph. SH. Sh. Shade. Smash. High frequency words. Do. Her. The. To. You. Kate can kick the ball. Mom and Dad take Kate to her game. Kate waves to them. Dale kicks the ball to the shade. Jane kicks it in the lake. Dad calls, "You can do it, Kate!" Mom yells, "Run, Kate, run!" Kate makes a late kick. The ball is in the net. Kate and her smash kick save the game. The Flames win. Mom calls Kate brave. Dad shakes her hand.